Hey, welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. Honey, we're just going to do a casual fragrance chit chat. I feel like I just haven't chatted with you all in quite a bit. But I love these videos. I love just being able to just talk about what I want to talk about. And, well, normally I'm able to talk about what I want to talk about, but on some fragrances and my thoughts. I don't have these items yet. But let's get into some of my thoughts on some things that are coming up or some things that I've seen, okay? Let's get into it, shall we? Yeah, let's. So first off, just minding my own business as I'm always doing. No, so I was on Zara's website, and you all might have noticed I haven't had a lot of Zara fragrances that have come up or been on my channel, and just one, because I haven't really been interested in some of the new releases that have been out, and it's just as simple as that, right? I still love Zara fragrances, but some haven't really piqued my interest as much. However, until now, I went, what is that about? Okay, so they have this new fragrance, and it's called Moonlight Whisper Intense. Okay, have you all heard of it? Have you all experienced it? If you have, I would love to know your thoughts. I would love to know if you think I should get this or not. But the reason why it sparked my interest is because on the bottle, it has 3 different notes. 1, pistachio. Okay, so we have a nutty fragrance going on, and you all know I love a good like nutty almond pistachio type of fragrance. I love that, okay? Then we have some pink sugar. Okay, so we got some sweetness in it. Okay, all right, you're working it. We're working it. We're working it. Okay, and then the hitter that I was like, oh yeah, I might need to get this, was the whipped vanilla. Oh my goodness, it just sounds like a gourmand dream, just heaven. But I don't know, like I think I might get it. I might just blind buy it to see like how is it doing, what's it talking about. But let me know your thoughts. There's some other ones in the line that I was like, that's interesting. So if you have tried, and I think it's like this Woman 24 line or something like that. Either way, if you have experienced any of these fragrances, your sis would love to know your thoughts. Please let me know if this is something that I need to get. But it does sound delicious, and you all know I'm trying to be in my gourmand bag for the fall season. So it might be an add to cart. Okay, moving on. Next up, we have talked about this briefly, and we'll talk about it briefly in this because I have not received it. And yes, I did purchase it. So that is Sol de Janeiro, and that is the Cheiroso 71. Okay, and you all know, of course, the nutty pistachio. Like, that is such a dream body spray. Oh my goodness, like that is such a great 71 is like one of my favorites, okay? So for them to come out with a body butter, who wasn't getting? Who you talking to? I absolutely got it, okay? Add to cart, and it's on its way. So hopefully I will be getting it soon and experience it. Now, I will say, okay, Sol de Janeiro's body butters are not like this extra moisturizing thing. Like, yeah, no. It's not. However, I love the scents. I love their body butters. I love how whipped it is, but they have had some other formulations, right, with their body butter. So we'll see like the purple one or the purplish blue one. Forgot what that one was off the top of my head. However, that had a different consistency in the body butter. It was a little bit more thicker than the whip that we always get in Sol de Janeiro body butter. So we'll see. I don't know. This might be a whipped $71, but I am excited. Needless to say, okay, who cares? I'm excited to get this. I cannot wait to experience it, and I will definitely come back with all my thoughts. Okay, I got you. All right, moving on. So Fenty has some new butter drops, okay? And they come in like these mini sets, it looks like. But they have salted caramel. Ooh, salted caramel? Yeah, need that. And so it has blends of caramel, cookie dough, and vanilla. Yeah, who you talking to? Okay. And then they have toasted marshmallow. Again, if you are not a vanilla or gourmand person, fall season is not going to be your love story. It's just not. You not going to like it. I've said this before. You not going to like being in the fall this season because everybody and their mama want to smell gourmand deliciousness, and vanilla is also a part of that. Just saying. Anyway, we have toasted marshmallow, and it has marshmallow. We have vanilla, spun sugar, and sweet cream. Oh, that sounds like a dream too. And then they have Fenty Fresh. Now that doesn't sound like a dream, but it smells good. It smells good. It sounds good. So for Fenty Fresh, we have blends of bergamot, jasmine, and white orchid. Okay, and I'm looking at my phone because I took a picture of it, and yes, it is on its way because I absolutely had to purchase that. So I'm going to be body buttered down. So I will say the one thing that I am not a fan of, and I believe they have, which is the like the sparkling glitter in these body butters. So I don't like all the glow and especially not in fall. Like, I'm gonna be glowing under my clothes. Like, no. So I will say, if anything, that's just not my favorite thing, that this has glitter in it, because we're going into the fall season. You're not going to be like showing your shoulders unless you live in like Florida and hot climates, or Texas or something like that like is hot all year long, right? You don't have to worry about that. But for me, when I do experience seasons here in Tennessee, yeah, I mean, because I'm going to be in sweaters. Like, I don't want glitter to be on my sweater. So, we'll see. We'll see what it looks like and how I feel. But if there was one thing I'm not excited about, would be that I think it has like some shimmering glitter in it. I wish it would just be regular. Come on, we're going into the fall. Like, if it was summer or spring, sure, give me glitter, fine, whatever. But that would be the only thing I'm kind of like bummed about. But other than that, it's on its way. So I'm excited for that. All right, moving on. Honey, Mona is hilarious, okay? So by the time you see this video, Silks and Towel has been here. I don't know if it's here and gone. It's probably here and gone because it's probably sold out. But honey, her commercials and marketing for Silks and Towel to be back out or back in stock is hilarious. There was one that she was like running away from the comments of everybody wanting Silks and Towel being back. So anyway, I can't wait. I wasn't in her comment section, but honey, I felt the exact same way as probably some of those comments. I'm so excited that it's back. I can stop babysitting my fragrance and use it and be free with using it now. Now that I'm able to have a backup. Now it is limited. It's a limited stock, limited backup. So, be on top of it. Hopefully you are. I did give you the hookup on time. Now, I did not say if it was Eastern or Central. My sis corrected me on that. I should have said that. But normally on the Kayali site, I don't know anything about Sephora. Don't ask, I don't know. I normally shop from the Kayali site, and normally when it becomes available to add to cart is at 4 a.m. Central Standard Time for me. So whatever that time looks like for you, that's what it is. So I'll be setting my alarm, and just in case she wants to drop it earlier, I'm going to also set my alarm for 3 a.m. Central Standard Time, just in case she does something different. A sis got to be prepared. But between 3 and 4 alarm, I'm up, I'm ordering, in cart. Bye-bye. Moving on. Next up, I am thinking about doing something on Scentbird. But what is making me think about getting this is because they have several fragrances on here that I really want to test out and try. One of them being the House of Beau, the Boom Bon, okay? Let me tell you these notes, okay? It has marshmallow. It is marshmallow season, clearly, okay? Clearly, Yummy with Skin Potion had, the marshmallow body, but all, like the whipped cream and all of that. Like, marshmallow is like on everybody's radar, right? Anyway, this fragrance has marshmallow. We have aged cognac, okay? Ooh, so it's like a deep boozy, but lychee. Oh my gosh. Okay, so love that. Gives a fruit. And then bergamot caramel. Never heard of that. Want it. Sign me up. That even sounds bergamot, which is like, to me, very bright, very citrusy. Caramel. There's a bergamot caramel. Oh my goodness. And then Lily of the Valley, which is like a white floral. Really love that floral in fragrance. I really want to test this fragrance. I have not. There has been some creators that have talked about this fragrance, and I have steered away from their videos because I really want to experience it for myself first before like making any prejudgments or anything, right? So I'm trying to stay away from knowing what the experience is, but I'm thinking I'm going to purchase this instead of waiting for it to come in the next month. I want it now, right? Then there's like Arabian Tonka. If you all know from Montal, I've been wanting to try that, see if I like it. And especially this is like the greatest season for that. So I really want to add that to this promotion. And then they have from Shea and Blue, I have a couple of fragrances from that brand, but they have like this lilac and gooseberries fragrance. Okay. And what makes me very curious is I've heard some good things and I've heard not too many things, but more good than bad on gooseberry and the way that smells. And I know with Shea and Blue, honey, I got that caramel. Like, they are spot on. Like, this is what this smells like. Like, they are very heavy. And like, I have the salted caramel from them, and the fragrance is salted caramel. Like, there's nothing to get away from. It's salted caramel. But this one, it has white amber, lilac, and it has gooseberry.
Holy Jesus. What is that?
Now, I've not smelled that, and so I'm so nosy and curious on what does this fragrance smell like, okay? So I have that as an option. And next I have Miu Miu Eau Rosé. And I feel like it's a watery rose type of fragrance. I'm interested to know what that smells like. So either way, okay, I am really trying to get maybe some more samples instead of like every month I get my sample, every month I get my sample. I'm trying to actually like speed up some of my months so I can have 4 fragrances to try out in the same month. I'm thinking about it. And I love that Scentbird has that option for you to try more if you want to, right? You don't have to, but if you want more in your cart or if you want more sent to you, they'll do it, right? And so, yeah, but some of those I'm like, what does that smell like? I want it now. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I haven't made a decision quite yet. Probably by the time you see this video, I would have made a decision, but hasn't happened yet. But we'll see. What would you do? Would you like buy more testers if you could under Scentbird, or would you just wait for your month to come up and hope that it's not sold out? That sounds crazy, me just even saying that. Anyway, so that is all, family, for some of my thoughts. There are so many new releases coming out and can't keep up. I'll probably have to do another fragrance chit chat on things that I'm excited about. But honey, what are you purchasing? Okay, what are you excited about for the fall season? What is in your cart? What are you about to click that is going to be an add to cart and sent to your front porch? Okay, I would love to know what things are in the wings. Okay, I am not keen on everything, right? I think that there are so many different content creators that have the insight and all the things, and I might not get first insight of some things, but however I'll tell you what I am excited about when I do stumble upon it. And hopefully that is enough, family, that you would love to hear my thoughts, okay? Well, I would love to hear yours, so make sure you comment down below. Give me the thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, family. Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.